Hi guys, recently stopped working, blowing the interior of the Mercedes stove. The reason for this was a burned out relay of the speed controller of the fan blowing the stove. With the course of these contacts, blowing the interior of the stove worked. In general, a new relay was accurate and replaced. After replacing the regulator relay, everything fell into place. The stove works perfectly. Here is the first position, the second, the third. That's how we addressed the problem of blowing the fan of the Mercedes stove. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hey guys, if the stove blowers does not work well, most likely there are brushes that should be replaced. To replace the brushes, you need to disassemble the blower of the stove and replace the brushes. First you need to remove this blower. It keeps on a screws. After, disconnect these wires. Now guys, to disassemble this stove fan, you need unscrew this bolt and this one. Let's go. You need to change these brushes. This one and this one. Change them and assembling this fan, stove fan, to reverse order. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, recently I had a kid drive a car at a speed, suddenly press the brake to wrap or drive around something. The car slowly down and the crankshaft speed does not decrease. The reason for this was this. This is the gas pedal mechanism. When we press the gas, the throttle valve is open here and air enter. And this mechanism itself, with time, he began to get hung up. That is, he can stay here in any position. And in fact, the mechanism should return to initial position and not get hung up anywhere. Therefore, we'll lubricate all this place with this. And after that, the mechanism will work correctly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.